Hello again. Today I have a Sabrent Thunderbolt 4 KVM docking station and two different laptops connected. On the desk I've got a Dell Latitude 5420, and up on the left in a VESA vertical dock I've got a Surface Laptop Studio. Connected to the Sabrent with USB-C to HDMI adapters are two 1080p monitors. And then off to the right, kind of at an odd angle, I've actually got my homemade eGPU with an NVIDIA GTX 1080 connected to a 1440p monitor. So we've got four screens, again, two connected to the Sabrent, one through an eGPU, and it works seamlessly. I'll press the switch here, switch over to the Dell. It usually takes a couple seconds to get going. You can see the Thunderbolt control panel on the laptop already came up. You can ignore the Surface Laptop Studio screen up on the left. It's no longer connected, and that black bar is actually the Intel GPU control panel crashing. But you can see we have four screens connected, the three external monitors and the Dell laptop screen. Again, seamless between all four screens. Everything just works. eGPU connects up. But yeah, let's press that switch again. Switch back to the Surface Laptop Studio, and you can see the Intel Arc control panel came back. Oh, there it went. And we have all the screens back up again. Now the Dell laptop is no longer connected. We've got the Surface Laptop Studio, two 1080p screens, and the eGPU with the 1440p screen. Again, seamless. Works like a champ. Good job, Sabrent.